All right, we've got a die rolled 10 times, so that's an n value of 10. X represents the number of times a 1 occurs, so probability of that is 1/6. Probability of that not happening is 5/6. Probability that I get 10 ones, so I want the probability that X is equal to 10. I can either calculate this out by hand or use my calculator. So distribution, binomial is A. So now we've got 10 trials. Probability of success is 1/6. And I'm looking for an X value of 10. I've got this value. Let's see if my calculator will turn it into a fraction. Nope. So if I wanted the exact value, I would need to do my expansion, and 10 choose 10, well, that's just 1, and then I'd have 1/6 to the 10. So here's my exact value. My Q is not even happening, so 1/6 to the 10th is my exact value. The probability that I get 4 ones, well, this is going to be 10 choose 4 times 1/6 to the 4, and then 5/6 to the 6th. 10 choose 4, remember I can do this on my calculator easily, 10, and then 10 choose 4. All right, so now I've got 210 times 5 to the 6th over 6 to the 10th. I could simplify this, leave it like this. I could also go back to my binomial PDF and calculate this, changing my 10 now to a 4. All right, so here's my approximation, 0.0543. All right, mean and standard deviation. Well, this one's the easiest. My mean is going to be NP, so that's going to be 10/6 or 5/3. My standard deviation is going to be square root of 10 times 1/6 times 5/6, so that's going to be 50 over 36, or I could call that 5√2 over 6. All right, I've got a similar sort of idea down here. 3% chance of defective, 1 hour period, I stamp 40 oil pans. So this is a binomial distribution, whoops, lost my B, with an N of 40, a probability of 3/100ths. So I can go ahead and say probability that X equals 5, that's going to be 40 choose 5, 3/100ths to the 5th, and then 97 or 0.97 to the 35. For a 1 hour period, my mean, that of course is my easy one, 40 times 3/100ths, and my standard deviation, square root, 40 by 3 by 97 over 100 squared, so I can make that shorter and just call it over 100.